So now that we have our background knowledge on what functions are and how they work, it's time we learn how to graph them. So how do we graph them? Well, first we need to know that every point on a graph has an x value and a y value. If I were to graph 1, 2, you'd go over 1 and up 2 because x equals 1 and y equals 2. Pretty simple, right? All a function is a bunch of those points connected. So first we need to know our function. Let's start simple and go with y equals 2x. So first you'll want to make a table with your values like this. Now every cell in the row is a point on your graph. Like look, 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, yeah, and so on. So now you have to put those points on your graph. And then all you have to do is connect them. Then remember, you have to add the arrows at the end because this shows that the line is continuous. Easy, right? Graphing is pretty simple,